This Nathaniel, and this is Zippo trick number 1. What you'll need is a Zippo and some talent. This is called the squeeze, and it's the easiest, I think, besides this. Take my Zippo's out of fluid. So, the squeeze looks like this. Just the lid pops off. What most people do is you'll put your thumb on the bottom like that and your index and middle finger up the top, and all you're doing is just this, taking this and sliding your middle and index fingers down and gripping. So it's on the bottom and you're just sliding down and gripping. You gotta slide down kind of fast, like a snapping motion. I don't know how it does it, the lid just pops off. So, what most people do for the mistake is they put their index finger right here and their middle finger on the back, and see, it won't work. It just pops open and closes. So if you put them together, it really helps. Just do it like a snapping motion. Just grip it, and it will. See, it's kind of hard when it'll take a while to do it. You can also turn it on the bottom and go like this. You can hold it by the lid. There it goes. And it'll work. So, enjoy, but be safe.